As of today, there's a major shakeup happening at Starlink Zimbabwe. Starlink, known for its revolutionary satellite internet service, making waves globally, is stirring things up in Zimbabwe. So who's taking the helm? None other than Denny Maringer, the former CEO of Zoel. That's right, Denny is stepping in as the new managing director at IMC Communications, the sole distributor of Starlink in Zimbabwe. For those who may not know, Denny has a stellar track record in the telecommunications industry in Zimbabwe. Under his leadership, Zoel became a household name, known for its reliable service and customer focus. Now, what does this mean for you? Pause. Well, with Denny at the controls, we can expect some major moves. His expertise in managing telecom services means potentially faster rollouts, improved service quality, and maybe, just maybe, some competitive pricing that'll make high-speed internet accessible to more people. And let's not forget, bringing such a high-profile leader on board signals a serious commitment from Starlink to the Zimbabwean market. This isn't just about expanding coverage, but enhancing the quality of connectivity. Pause. Imagine smoother video calls, faster downloads, and uninterrupted streaming. Sounds pretty good, right? So keep your eyes peeled, because the internet landscape in Zimbabwe might just be getting a major upgrade. And with Denny Maringer steering the ship, I'm pretty excited to see where this goes. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next update. Stay connected.